Hello, and welcome to our social media how-to series. My name is Brooke Schlatter, and I am a junior from Perrysburg, Ohio, studying marketing and international business. I'm also a Schmidhorst College of Business student ambassador and social media intern for Schmidhorst College Dean Ray Braun. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your very own Twitter account. On Twitter, you can follow the Schmidhorst College for updates, photos, videos, and student/alumni success stories. Let's get started.
We're going to create your account on your computer, but once you do that, you can also download the Twitter app on your phone and set it up there. Go to the URL http://twitter.com and hit the sign up option. Enter your name and phone number, but if you don't want to use your phone number, click on the Use Email button instead. Now enter your birthday and click the Sign Up button. Depending on which option you choose, a verification code will be sent to either your phone number or email. Enter the code into the box on your Twitter account. After you've entered your verification code, hit the Next button and enter a password. You can also upload a profile picture if you'd like. If you don't want a picture or any of the upcoming optional choices, just hit the Skip for Now button in the top right-hand corner. You can come back and complete these sections later. Congratulations! You're now all done signing up for your account. To follow the Schmidhorst College of Business, go to the search bar in the upper right corner and type in @BGSUBiz. To follow this account, simply hit the Follow button here. If you want to get notifications for any time the Schmidhorst College tweets or retweets things, hit the bell with the plus sign next to the Follow button. This is a great source to find any and all news on Schmidhorst College of Business happenings like student and alumni spotlights and current events in the college. Now you're following the Schmidhorst College. Next up, I'll show you how to post your own tweets. First, tap the Home button in the top left-hand corner to get you back to your Twitter timeline. Then, to post something yourself, tap the blue Tweet button in the bottom left-hand corner. There, you can type whatever is on your mind and even add pictures if you'd like. Once you've got your tweet how you like it, press the Tweet button in the bottom right-hand corner to post. This will now pop up on your Twitter page and your followers' timeline. Lastly, I will be showing you how to gain followers. You can easily grow your follower base by following other accounts, posting often on your own account, and staying active by interacting with tweets that you enjoy. It can even be as simple as typing in the first and last name of someone you know, such as Dean Braun. Let's follow him now.
Congratulations, you now have your very own Twitter account. Be sure to stay updated with the Schmidhorst College student ambassadors by following @SchmidhorstSA. I look forward to seeing you on Twitter.